Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss about how we can compare the fraction numbers. How we can compare the fraction numbers. So there are two methods to compare fraction number. So one is cross multiplication method and another one is by taking LCM. So comparing fractional number. So how we can compare fraction number? So first of all we will discuss about cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So what is cross multiplication method? So suppose we are given the fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So do you know the symbol? So how we can solve this? 1 by 2, here we will write 1 by 4. Numerator of first denominator is multiplied with the denominator of second fraction number. Then denominator of, so it is 1 multiply 4, and another denominator of first fraction multiply with the numerator of second fraction. So it is 2 multiply 1. So it is 1 for the 4 and it is 2 1 the 2. Now which one is greater? So 4 is greater than 2. So therefore 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 4. So this method is called cross multiplication method. We have made here cross, numerator multiply with denominator, denominator multiply with numerator. So let us take another example. So it is 3 over 5 and 3 over 4. So again it is 3 over 5, here we will write 3 over 4. Now numerator multiply with denominator. So here, so it is 3 multiply 4. Then denominator is multiplied with the numerator of second fraction. So it is 5 multiply 3. So it is 3 4 the 12 and 5 3 the 15. Now we can compare 12 and 15. So 12 is less than 15. So here we will use the symbol less than. So this means 12. So it is the answer of 3 over 5, that is less than 3 over 4. So this method is called cross multiplication method. In this method we use cross multiply. Numerator of first fraction is multiplied with the denominator of second fraction, and denominator of first fraction multiply with the numerator of second fraction. So then we compare the answer. So it is 1 4 the 4 and 2 1 the 2. So now we can compare 4 and 2. So 4 is greater than 2. So 4 is the answer of 1 by 2 and 2 is the answer of 1 by 4. So therefore 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 4. So this method is called cross multiplication method. And another method is by taking LCM. So now second method is compare by taking LCM. So in this method we take the LCM of the denominator. So let us take an example. Compare 7 over 2 and 5 over 3. So now method is by taking LCM. So LCM is always taken of the denominator. So LCM of denominator here 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3, that is equal to 6. We can calculate the LCM of 2 and 3. So now 7 over 2 multiply. Now what is LCM here? So LCM is divided with the denominator. So when 6 is divided by 2, we get 3 as the quotient. So now both numerator and denominator are multiplied with the quotient. And next fraction is, that is 5/3. Now 6 divided by 3. LCM is divided with the denominator, and that quotient we get, that is multiplied with both numerator and denominator. So when 6 is divided with 3, we get 2 as the quotient. So now multiply both numerator and denominator with 2. So 7 3 is 21, 2 3 is 6, 5 2 is 10, and 3 2 is 6. Now see that these are converted into like fraction. Like fractions are those fractions which have the same denominator. Now denominators are same. We will only compare the numerator. So 21 is greater than 10. So therefore 21/6 is greater than 10/6. Now 21/6, it is the answer of 7/2. So 7/2 is greater than 5/3. So this method is called by taking LCM. So next we have another part, is 3/10 and 3/4. Now we will take the LCM of 10 and 4. So when we will find the LCM of 10 and 4, so it will equal to 20. Now 3/10 multiply. Now 20 divided with 10, we get 2 as the quotient. So multiply 2/2. And second fraction is, that is 3/4. Multiply. Now 20 divided with 4. So we will get 5. So 5/5. Now 3 2 is 6 and 10 2 is 20. Numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. Now 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20. Again these are converted into like fraction. So now we compare the numerator. So 6 is less than 15. So 6/20 is less than 15/20. So 6/20, it is answer of 3/10, that is less than 3/4. So in this way we can compare the fraction by taking LCM. So thank you student. So we have discussed about the two methods of comparing fractional numbers. First we have discussed by cross multiplication method, and next one is by taking LCM. So thank you student.